factory president, Mr. Okumura. Mr. Okumura, say hello. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So we're looking at the press. So they're making the connection between plates so that they can be put in Enagic's ionizers. So presses each one of these, they come off with this line. So this is the quality of plate that only Enagic can make happen. And as you see, they come out, put them in this little press. The actual engine, they just come from downstairs. They're making each engine by hand. They put an inspection certificate on it. Look how many people are working on it every single day, making the highest quality in the world. And each individual one is bolted, soldered. Super hygienic here. Bolting machine never ever been recorded before. None of this. So you want to know why Enagic is topping the quality? No other company's got this many people putting this much effort into making one single device. Every single thing is tested and retested, going over different parts of it. Bolting machine that what they said used to take a human literally 35 minutes to do. Now, this young chap right here, Mr. Robot, is going in and bolting down. Look at that. Every single nut is now being tested to make sure it's proper tightness. And this machine is doing it all. Once they come out of here, here's another example. They come right over here, they do release up, they do clean. Just the amount of work that goes into making this happen is absolutely mind-boggling. You're never going to find another company that's going to put this much. Quality is number one. So each individual person here is making a device. You can see they're putting them together. Each individual device. Look at the quality. Look at how many people are working on taking all of these parts and putting them into your Enagic Kangen water device. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing the quality, the time, the commitment, what each person does, each individual step. I don't think you're going to find another company that's going to put this much effort into making the world's best Kangen sui device. There's the computer layout, top of the line for the pH. It's just come off of this line where it was tested for voltage. Every single device gets checked on the pH scale, how he can operate the flow of water. He needs to get it down to 2.7. Every single one is calibrated. They're brought over under here. She's calibrating each individual device. So you've never had a Kangen water device that's not been thoroughly tested by these awesome, gorgeous looking people. Hard workers, every single that plate and press it. We're gonna watch it grab the plate there, pull it over, press it, taking each one, there it comes. It just snagged the plate, puts it in that little plastic, oh, there it is. Comes over here, grabs another plate, just been pressed into the plastic, and voila, the Japanese engine has been made. The exact engine that goes inside your SD501, goes inside your Platinum, goes inside your K8. You are looking at it being made right here live. In the world that can make the Enagic filter, and here it is. So look at the hygiene they have to wear just to make the carbon that goes inside of your filters is produced right here. You want to know quality? None of those knockoff filters have passed any of the tests that go into each one of these. It's being each one handmade in this department.